The question says, obtain the square root of this Surdic quantity. Okay, we have 7 plus 4 root 3. Should look for the square root. Solution. So for this Surdic expression, do not forget when we have 6 square is same as 6 times 6, that is 36. Okay, meaning the square of 6 will give us the square root of 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Okay, so let's use this assumption to work out this. So let me assume this stands for square of x plus square of y equals this 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, so meaning the square of this now, okay, will give me the square roots. When I look for the square root of all this, I have this, meaning square root of 36 give me the square, which is 6. So the same assumption. So when I open up this, I can write this as x plus root y, okay? So I have root x plus root y. I can open it twice in this form. So what this implies is, when I multiply this with this, I have x. Do not forget one of the law of surd. When you multiply the same roots, okay, you have the number, okay? So this times this gives me x, okay? I have x. With x times with x, I have x. With x times with y, I have plus with xy, okay? Plus, when I multiply this with this, I have with xy, okay? Plus with y times with y, don't forget the log, okay? Same root, you have the same answer. So with y times with y gives me y. So equals to 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, so from here I can say x plus y. Okay, so I have invisible one here. I'm adding the same root, so I have plus 2 root xy. Okay, equals to 7 plus 4 root 3. And do not forget, I want to obtain the square root of this. Okay, so from here I can write this as x plus y plus this 4, this 2, square root of 4 is 2, okay, times root xy equals 7 plus square root of 16 is 4, so times root 3. Or I can put it this way, I have x plus y plus, when I multiply this, I have square root of 4xy, okay, so 7 plus, when I multiply this, I have square root of 48. So I cannot compare this with 7 and this with this, the same roots. I can compare it because that is the condition for a Surdic quantity to be equal. So the equality sign here is telling me that I should bring out this x plus y equals to 7. Okay, and what I have here is 4xy equals 48. So this is my equation 1 and my equation 2. So from here, I can lead us to simultaneous equation, which is x plus y equals 7. And we have here 4xy equals 48. So I can easily divide both sides by 4. Okay, so I have here xy equals to 12, which is this. So this one is my equation 1, this one is my equation 2, and this one is my equation 3. Okay, so using substitution method, okay, I can solve this simultaneously and say y equals 7 minus x, which is this. Now, for y to be 7 minus x, I can take this y back here and say x into 7 minus y, 7 minus x, I substitute back in equation 3, okay, so equals to 12. All right, so when I open up, I have 7x minus x squared equals to 12. So from here, I can write this as 7x minus x squared minus 12 equals 0. And if I to write this properly, I can multiply everything by minus 1. Minus 1 times 7 is 7x, is minus 7x. To turn this one to positive, that is x squared. Minus times minus is plus, minus 7x. Okay, minus times minus is plus 12 equals to 0. So from here, I can factorize further And then to factorize, I can use 5 and 4 and 3 to factorize it out. I can write it as x squared, which is this, minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. Okay, so the common factor here is x into x minus 4, okay, minus 3 into x minus 4, okay. So from here, x minus 3, which is this, x minus 3, that gives me x minus 3, that is 3, and I take out 1, x minus 4, that is 4. So x minus 3, when I take out back this, meaning our x is 3, and when I take back my minus 4 here, meaning my 4x is as well is 4. So when I come back to this now, and to determine the value of y, since I've gotten my x to be 3 or 4, so from here now, I have y equals 7 minus x. So when x is 3, so my y is 7 minus 4, 7 minus 3, sorry. So my y, the first value of my y is 4. And when x is 4, the value of my y will be y equals 7 minus x. That is y equals 7 minus 4, that is 3. Now, when x is 3, okay, when x is 3, my y is 4, okay, from here, y is 4. And when x is 4, my y is 3, okay. So coming back to my assumption here, that the square of this will give me this. So that means square root of x, that is square of, let me go with the first one. So say square of 3, square root of 3, okay, plus square root of y, which is 4 in this case, okay. So here I have was 3 plus 2, okay, for this. And if I use the second one, I'll still have the same result. So to test this, to check it, fixing it back here, then look for the square of this. I have root 3, okay, plus 2. So square of this, it says I'm saying root 3 plus 2, okay, root 3 plus 2, value of the square. So when you open up, you have this times this, that is 3. You don't forget the law of salt, the same roots give you the same result, give you one of them represents it, okay. So root 3 times root 3 is 3, okay, plus root 3 times 2 is 2 root 3, okay, so root 3 times 2 is 2 root 3, plus 2 times root 3, that is 2 root 3, okay. So from here, we now have plus 2 times 2, that is 4. So when you open up, when you look at it, 3 plus 4 is 7, okay, plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, that is 4 root 3. So that means that the square root of this is this. Thank you very much.